Hi there, we are at one of Flygfabriken's workshops where we are milling plugs for the next step of making molds. We have two 5-axis milling machines here, and we start with a milling cell plastic and then apply a layer of epoxy paste, and then we mill it in the second machine for finishing.
Now I have prepared a milling machine, start milling a plug for the Airplane LN-3 Seagull. We are making new molds for the production model and are using a 5-axis mill.
Here we have the finished result. There are some smaller flaws in it, but it doesn't matter since we're applying the epoxy paste on top of this.